So as I work on building the village, I step back and take a look and make sure that everything's looking how I want it to look. I actually do this quite a bit. And if there's any areas that just aren't quite looking how I want it to look, I take some time, I think about those areas, think about any changes that I can make, and then make those changes. Well, that's where I have been with this platform that comes off the front of the mountain. There's just been something that I'm not liking. I know the middle part of where the house and the little sledding hill isn't finished, and that's not what's been bothering me. It's actually the sides that have been bothering me. I spent a lot of time and effort in creating these little mountain facades that go on the side of the platform, but I'm feeling like they're a little too flat. So this is the side that faces the farm section. I'm going to take you around and show you the side that faces the town section and show you what I'm doing. I took what I had on there off, and these are all just sitting. They're not glued on. I still have painting to do. The one is a little bit lower than it's supposed to be. This one, it's just kind of balancing on there. It needs to be up higher. So I found thicker styrofoam sheets and I carved them, make them look more like a rock. So once they get painted and hot glued in place, I'll probably have some areas, like maybe right here that will need an extra piece. So I'll do, something kind of like this, but a little bit longer. So then it'll give it a little bit more dimension as well. And then there's going to be places like over here that kind of is, you can see this top part. So I think I'll do like overhangs like this and just kind of have them hanging over. So I think by doing that, that's going to give me a little bit more dimension and make it look a lot better. And I'll be a little bit more happier with the way it looks.